Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is the 2021 Mercedes-AMG E63S, and in today's video I will take it for a drive. I've got the key right here. It is still sealed in plastic because this car is brand new, just out of factory, and it has a lovely AMG MULTIBEAM emblem on the back side. So let's quickly have a look at the exterior, because here you can really see where Mercedes-AMG changed the full facelift. It is not only here in the front with its Panamericana grille with 14 vertical lines, but also the hood is now integrated into the front, and usually it was all the way to the front area. It has a very aggressive power bonnet with muscles, and here you can also see the bumpers very wide but a little bit more elegant compared to the pre-facelift. This is a brand new facelift, and you can see from the side that this is also a practical all-around vehicle. It is an AMG, so very aggressive with 612 horsepower, but also a minimum of 4 people can sit inside, and you have a large trunk. It has the new AMG rims, also in matte black, and it matches beautiful with the new front language because it is forward moving. In the rear you can see a beautiful new design language, also similar to the S-Class and the coming C-Class. It has these LEDs inside, 2 parts, so one on the trunk, one on the side, and it has the new AMG exhaust tips, very square quattro, so dual on each side, and it has these hammers on the top, indicating that this is the E63S. Without the S, you don't have these gaps on the top. So let's go inside and we will take it for a drive. And therefore we will change the driving characteristics. You can do it here with this new steering wheel and the driving select switch. So let's put it into the Sport Plus. It also has the Burmester surround sound system high end, so that means that the stereo will flip inside and outside. Let's put it in reverse. And there you can see the reversing camera, and each way where you steer, the camera will follow. And let's go. I will immediately activate the exhaust button to have the exhaust button setting too powerful, and now the exhaust valves are open. Let's take a right turn. In the comfort mode it is very comfortable. And also explosive, as you can see. Immediately to Sport Plus. Amazing. Also nice crackles. reverse, you can see the 360 degrees camera. And if you steer, it moves in the direction. So you have a clear view where you're going and that you don't hit any curbs. Nice crackles. Actually, for these kind of curves, I really like the suspension setting of the comfort mode. It feels way softer. Amazing new AMG steering wheel, just like in the new S-Class and C-Class. You will probably also see it in the new C63. Amazing from the E63S is that they kept the philosophy, the amazing powertrain, but it has the newest technology with the MBUX. So now you can actually talk to your Mercedes and ask for some commands. For example, hey Mercedes.
Was kann ich für dich tun?
Fahre nach Zurich.
Ich habe diese Ergebnisse gefunden. Wo möchtest du hinfahren?
1.
Los geht's.
Hey Mercedes.
How can I help?
Activate the head-up display.
The head-up display is turned on.
And then you can change the view. And currently I have it on the RPM. You can also change the screen in front of you. If you go to Styles and Display, into Super Sport, then you have the RPM in the center. And you can also change the right and left part. But what we see from the new S-Class and C-Class, Mercedes has changed the interface and you can't change the sides. So this is less complex. And this gives you the RPM, the gears, and a lot of boost information on the sides. Personally, I also really like the classic screen. And that's because you have your speed on the left, RPM on the right, and it says AMG in the center. You can also see here on the top that it has 4 cylinders active. So it changes from 8 to 4 depending on your driving behavior. To save some fuel and also the sound from the exterior. So as you can see, Mercedes recognize pedestrians. It says watch out for pedestrians on this crossing. Very confident sound of the V8. And it also has a touchscreen. And over here the traffic light view, so a camera which tells you exactly where to go. And right now it tells me to take a right at this crossing, a very sharp one. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked this video and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.